Hey guys, so I want to do a quick video. I'll try to make it quick actually, on the difference of a 2.0 and a 1.5. I'm not going to talk about the power because I mean that's obvious, but when I was shopping these cars, I wanted to know exactly what I was getting. I mean, besides the engine, transmission, what was the difference between them? Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick walk around. So if you guys are on the fence, say you have a 1.5 and you wanna know what the 2.0 has, if it's worth extra $5,000, like $4,800, whatever it is, I'll walk around real quick with you guys, okay? Because I know they look identical, but there's actually quite a bit of stuff on these cars. Okay, so at first here we have the sunroof, okay? I actually like this a lot. It gives it a more premium feel, okay? Then going around the side here, if you see right here, has the blind spot monitoring system. So this thing will glow orange if somebody's in your blind spot, and it has one on each mirror, okay? So it has that. Go around the back here. What I like, and I think all the Accord should have it, has a button back here. Right here. Since this is based on the EX trim, has the button, so you don't have to get your key fob out, anything like that, okay? Okay, one of my favorite parts about it has this. These little ridges lock it. Put your hand in here, unlocks it. Has the smart entry system. So that's a huge plus for me. Okay, go in here. One thing that it's a mod I've done in my other cars, but this is what I like. The map lights come on when you open the door, just like the dome light there. On the 1.5s, they don't. There's no button for it. It's just, and what I didn't like about that, it was dark. You know, you open the door and you only had your dome light. And the reason they do it on these is because the dome light isn't here because of the sunroof. It moves it way back there, so it would be really dark. So they make it so this works in unison with the dome light. And there's a button on it too. If you look at it right there, it says off or door. You can turn them off so these don't turn on. Okay. And then we know we have the push button start with the transmission. I'm not gonna go over that stuff. It has HD radio, which I didn't really know what it was, so I researched it. I guess certain channels, stations are broadcasted, they have extra channels. So it gives you a crisper sound, I guess. And when there's one plane that has that, a little HD symbol will appear. So that's nothing huge to me. Now stepping around the back, I don't think there's anything in here I'm missing. Has a blind spot, like I said. Everything else is the same inside. No extra switches here. Oh, here we go. These things. Almost forgot. And then I'm gonna light up. I'll show you here real quick. Okay, as you see, they're heated. As you can see, when the power is off, you can't even see them. But it has 3 levels. Highest, of course. You click it down. And they're really nice because they're like a smooth transition here. And it's just the butt on these, so it's not like a lot of the other cars have the butt in the back. This is just the butt, but it gets really toasty, so that helps. Also has, if we move around here, right there, when you turn on the rear defroster, it has the heated mirrors too, which is a plus. The 1.5 does not. So if you live in an area that gets a lot of frost, it's cold, you don't have to use your hand and rub on the mirror. It has that, okay? Let's go to the back here. Okay, the back. Big plus for me, it has the vents. I have kids, so this was a huge thing. Being all black inside when it was in the summer, the back would get so hot. And it took forever from the AC in the front to get to the back. My kids were always like burning up. So this is actually a very good, nice feature that I like. I mean, it didn't sell me on it completely, but it was a huge plus. Along with the power, of course, this is probably my 3rd best thing besides the smart entry. You get air conditioning vents on the back. And then here's the thing I didn't even know, not that I really care, but it has a pocket right here. a seat back pocket. The passenger side always has one. On the 2.0, you get one on the driver's side. So not a huge thing, but hey, you get an extra pocket. And you get XM radio with this. So if you guys XM Sirius radio, you get that included with this. You get it free for 3 months. And I believe that is it for this car. So I just wanted to do a quick rundown for you guys because I know I was searching a lot with videos and I couldn't get like a itemized list of exactly what it had. I mean, a lot of people just talked about the motor. I mean, that's phenomenal. But this video, I just wanted to do the features it has. So if you guys are searching for this car, that's the extra features that it does have. So it's not just the motor or the transmission, which is the main reason, of course, but it also has, you know, those few things I told you. The biggest, I think, on my list are smart entry and the vents in the back, I would say. And of course the sunroof. I mean, I didn't think I really missed it because I haven't had it for a while, but it's a huge plus. And one thing I didn't even know until I got home with this car, but this, if you can see them here, Michelin tires. Now you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if all the 2.0s have that. But my old one, they had Goodyear. Didn't like them. They were so noisy, loud. You could feel every little thing in them. And I travel the same exact roads, and just with the tires makes a huge difference. Huge difference. It's crazy. And I see why Michelin's are rated one of the top tire out there. I mean, it does make a big difference just with the tire. Same air pressure in them, everything. It's a pretty much same weighted car. I think it weighs 100 pounds more, but it's just a lot quieter, more precise. You know, I like them. I would definitely replace them with the Michelin again when these wear out. Okay, guys, so I think I covered it all. You know, and also has like the walkway feature. I have it activated. You can turn it on or off. When you get 10 feet away, it'll automatically lock for you. You know, that's part of the smart entry system here. So, okay. So I hope that helps you if you guys are in the market for a 2.0 and you were like me, had the 1.5 and you want to know exactly what you're getting. I'm pretty sure, I don't think I'm leaving anything out, that's what it has, okay? So that way you can know exactly what it is. And like I said, most people are doing it for the engine. And let me tell you, it's totally worth it. It's night and day. Like, I'll do another video on that because I'll be too excited to tell you guys all the, how I feel about it. But as far as the features go, that's what you get over the 1.5 Sport. Okay, guys? Hope everyone's doing good out there. I'll have another video coming in a couple days. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate it. Leave your comments below. Okay? And I will talk to you guys later. Take care, guys.